I always try and say yes to my clients.
Okay. Yeah, I can come out in the morning and take some measurements.
So when they ask,
can you deliver the print in 2 days?
I like to say,
sure.
I'm a little concerned about the fresh print smell.
All they're gonna smell is your freshly roasted coffee.
people come to me with big dreams.
You did this in 1 day?
Yep. Go ahead, it's dry.
Or when they want to make a statement. When they need someone to go the extra mile.
Hey, thank you for doing all this.
Oh, my pleasure.
Or when they just want a little help. With my HP Latex printer, I can always say yes.